Today I will be showing you a tutorial about how I got from green, dark green, and light green hair to this. I didn't see a whole lot of tutorials on how to get green out of your hair, but I know somebody suggested to me that you can cancel it out with like a pinky color. So I was like, maybe I should record my process so that people can see how it turned out for me. I like this, so I'm going to show you how I got to here. It was pretty darn easy, so stay tuned. I apologize for the complete mess that I am looking right now, but I'm about to color my hair, and I didn't see a whole lot of videos like this, so I thought I would take one for the team. And even though I'm looking kind of ugly, I'm just gonna do it. I'm just gonna go with it, and you guys can deal with me looking like a mess. I have the Ion Color Brilliance Magenta Intensive Shine Semi-Permanent Cream Color, and I mixed that with this generic conditioner. It's literally the generic brand. I got both of these at Sally's. What I'm doing is covering this green with a magenta color to cancel it out. So here's what my concoction looks like right now in my very professional mixing bowl. I didn't measure out what of each color that I used, so I can't really tell you exactly what it is, but I'm just gonna roll with it, and if I need more, I'll mix more. I should tell you, I'm not wearing gloves, but I suggest wearing gloves. I just choose not to because I don't care about my well-being. I do suggest that you wear gloves while doing this though, because you'll probably color your hands pink. Now's the time where I speed this up so that you guys don't have to watch me do this for 35 minutes. Okay, so as you can see, I really made a mistake here. I really made a big old mistake. Number one, my bedroom door is shut. Good thing I have a towel, which is now ruined. Sorry, Johnny Depp. Wear gloves. Wear gloves. One thing I will say, this is super pigmented. Look at it. It's like as soon as I started putting it on, it started neutralizing my green, and it looks like it's going to be really cool because if you saw before, I had two-tone green where it was darker at the root and lighter at the end, so I think it's going to be like a dark bluish purple at the root and then maybe like a magenta pinky at the ends. I didn't look at the directions. I assume it's probably like 30 minutes or something, but I like to live on the edge, so I'll probably leave it in for an hour. Also, I'm lazy. I'm not sure exactly how long to leave it in. I'll tell you guys how long I left it in tomorrow when I finish this video. It says process for 20 to 40 minutes. So yeah, I'll probably leave it on for 40 to 60. I'll finish this tomorrow. It's been a couple days now, so I wanted to go ahead and film the end result real quick before I wash it and any of the color washes out. Here is how it turned out. Did end up a little more pink than what I originally expected, but I did leave it on for probably about an hour, maybe a little bit longer, because I got sidetracked and honestly I'm lazy. But I like the color. I really like the purple up here, and I think the blue looks pretty cool. I think it honestly melts pretty cool. Then again, I'm not like a super perfectionist or anything, so I'm I would pretty much roll with anything. I think that it turned out pretty sweet. I wish that my whole head would be like this color purple. I'm gonna let it fade, and then I think I'll probably put maybe like a lavender color over top of it. As long as the green is out, I don't care. I'm just happy that I have something different now. The green was getting really old and I was like, it's never gonna come out, I'm never gonna get rid of it. And then somebody suggested that I put something across the color wheel on top of it, and I think it turned out pretty well. I'm pretty freaking happy with how this turned out. I really like this color. I think it looks cool. Okay, well, that was a video. I hope you found some kind of information that was useful to you. I think that this turned out pretty well. I can't complain. Let me know if you tried this.